No llores, cholo.
Tengo la caña.
It's currently 4 in the morning. Gustavo says that he feels like his nose is closed, and he told me to check to see if here like a car. Check to see if there's any papuro paper rub. I don't think there is. Oh my god. My boy, there isn't any. I need to go pee really bad. No hay, cholo. Voy a ir al baño y ahorita le voy a ir a decir a mi mamá a ver si está despierta. My stomach hurts. I'm holding. So there wasn't any vapor rub in my mom says things I can ask her, but I found this and I was gonna tell Gustavo to breathe in like the vapor of the mint to see if it opens up his nostrils. It's 4:26. So I'll breathe this down. Excuse me. Okay, so it's ready. He's not gonna drink it, he's just gonna, you know. I'm making so much noise. Why is it farting? Let's take it to him. So I already told him to smell it, and he did. Or breathe it in. I didn't even point it at you, bro. It feels steamy hot. I'm holding it like this. My phone's open. Watching Nat's old videos and my juice right here. I'm bored. You know what I want to do? I want to come in here. Myself. It's 8:30 and everybody's still asleep.
¿Están ahí?
See? You could do it. Still seems like it's a little bit bumpy. It hurts and it's warm.
Parece como si fuera, si te picaría algo bien.
My mom thinks that maybe an ant bit me, but I'm like, it wouldn't hurt. He's so cute. He's probably going to sleep. My mom made hamburguesas, so still brought me one right now. I love it. I took a badass nap. Yummy! I'm just watching YouTube. 12:30 in the morning. 40. I'm always scared someone's gonna pop up on me at night. Oh, it feels kind of good outside. What's that noise? Let's go say hi to the birds. They get scared whenever I come to them. For why? See, look, they were on this corner when I was walking over here, and now they're in that corner. Why are y'all scared? Carrying me in the shit neck. They're like, oh, why did I get scared? I want a parrot so they could talk. So I can have a conversation with them. Anyway, let's go inside. Damn, I got scared twice this morning by the birds. I literally have been hungry turkey here. It's because I was not gonna wake up until like 11, bro. I don't blame him. I wouldn't be waking up early either. I think yesterday I woke up early. Where am I? Oh. I'm hungry. There's nothing to. Oh, I thought that was macaroni. Wait, there was some. Turns out the pasta that I was looking for, my mom had already made it, and she told me she was gonna make it, and I totally forgot until now. Making popcorn. Editing. So I have decided that I'm gonna put it in that bowl and put Valentina. Milagro? It's 6 in the morning. He said my dad called to go take him something. He scared me, dude. I was, picture me. I'm like this, eating, watching the video. I look to the side. And Gustavo was like, he scared me. I thought he was my mom. But when I saw him, he scared me even more. I was like, what the f? Gustavo up this early? No way. When he said that my dad called him, then I was like, okay, I get it. But he told me to go with him. I literally have my setup. And I also got rude. I also got this fruit. It's a peach or I don't know. This is what we're taking my dad. He's hating on my popcorn in the morning. I feel like I'm gonna hear that. Let me just get on my seat. You know, my abuela in Mexico. Ay, ay, ay. I feel so tall too. Like me acting like it's my first time on this truck. No, but the front feels different than the back. That's why I was sitting last time. Anyway. Who's driving this bus? Cuando te vi dije, ¿estás despierto ahorita a las 6? What? Milagro, ¿va a llover? Mi mamá dijo que íbamos a ir a ver los vestidos.
¿Hoy? No, no podemos jugar.
¿A las 12?
Sí. Vamos a ir más tarde.
No. We're going like around noon. And we're just gonna see to see if I see any that I like or in my size. I'm so white.
Siento que yo iba a pegar el pinche museo, bro.
I'm done. This is what we were working at. It's a beautiful na 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 na. Oh, look at the hardworking peoples. ¿Estoy grabando? Ni siquiera sé si estoy grabando. I don't know if I ever did mention, but my parents work in the field. Literally all my family does. That's what they always worked on, since they don't really like speak English. Just because you're wearing a hat, bro. Si no, ahorita también te ves bien greñudo.
Me peinó antes de... ¿qué va a hacer esta troquita? Pues yo voy a dejar la cartilla.
I feel weird recording because I feel like they're gonna see me. He looks tiny. He does not look like he would drive a trick. A trick. Él no es buchón. No va a dejar pasar. Es que desde cuando te hubieras metido.
Sí, pues aquí lo voy a dejar ir. Pues ya se parqueó aquí.
So this truck parked there, the truck that was backing up, so we literally can't go through unless we go like around or something. And they're like staring. It's kind of embarrassing because I look off it and I think he already got it off. Easy.
Que el lado esta vez que no me dejaron pasar.
He's me being all embarrassed. But I have shorts on. I'm telling him, he never listens to me, bro. Never. And I think he's calling him right now. Oh, damn. My dad was all the way in the back. He was all the way. We could have just turned, done the, what's it called? Just gone all the way around. And he was literally on the other side. Like, we're on this side, he was on the other side. Pero no me hace caso, nunca me hace caso. Yo le dije que se fuera por ahí, no quise seguir por ahí.
Tranquila.
Es que me altera el chile. Nah. San Valentina, ya vamos a pegar otro carro.
Mira, si me dices, le voy a pegar. No me digas nada.
Si te digo le vas a pegar, ¿por qué le vas a pegar?
Pues porque me vas a poner nervioso.
Tú nervioso. No, yo nerviosa y tú nervioso. Ahorita no hace frío, ¿verdad?
No.
Who's driving this bus?
Ay, sí, este muchachillo trae esa troconona.
Y se quedaban viendo como si, ¡oh! Y salió una pulguita así en la troca.
Pensaban que iba a ser un vato así. Bien mamadito y un barbón. No, el otro es que se bajó de la troquita, tuvo que echar un brinquillo.
It's a two-way road. That's the thinnest I've ever seen it.
Tomé una foto para el fin aquí en la troca de mi suegro. Ajá,
Oh, I was just thinking of the time that we went to LA for his birthday literally a year ago. We were at the Hollywood Walk of Fame and we were crossing the street and there was this car that almost ran us over. Like, ¿sí te acuerdas de esa chava?
Casi me mata. Sí.
Yeah, like, I don't know if he didn't see us. Like, we're pretty... And we were not the only one people walking. We were literally the ones on the side, so he would have hit us. I don't know what he was thinking. But yeah, time we cheated death and me. me da miedo. Es que no sé nadar.
¿Qué pasa si me aviento con ti troca?
Chulo. I want to live. I don't want to die.
Andas como un psycho, güey.
She moved her body like a psycho.
Ya cállate, no sé.
Boy, if you don't.
No te crees, no te crees.
So yeah, we're on the way home now, finally, so I can edit the video. I could never. People that work in the field, especially like my family that work in the fields literally their whole life, I admire that because they work every season. In the cold, not in the rain, because that's the only times where they don't work. In the heat, like right now. Right now in the morning, it's not cold. I mean, it's not hot, but later. No llores, chulo.
Traigo la caña. Mira a la gente para abajo. Eso le pasa a la música, hombre, ni música tenemos.
Fake ass cough.
Saque.
So, ¿vas a poner gas? ¿Está lleno?
Un cuarto.
¿Tiene un cuarto?
Sí, dale. Nomás aquí yo le pongo por.
So you told me to record his ass.
¿Cuál quieres?
Turbos! For the wedding, I want to cut my hair and I want to dye my hair, especially because I have gray hair. Only on this side, which I think is just genetic, because my mom has it like that and my grandma has it like that. Because your girl has been needing a hair. I haven't not cut my hair. What the did I just say right there? I have not cut my hair in literally like 2 years. Or like, no, yeah, like 2 years. It came already? What?
Mira nomás.
What do I want this change for?
Para que me baile.
When I first started driving, I drove in Mexico with the truck, and my dad was on this side. Well, like, of course it's not this truck, it's a different truck. It was like in 2016, and my cousin was in the back, and I was a little over there. The streets are, and then there's a lot of bumps, so like the truck was like, oh. So it was like, sí, es ese carro, mira.
No, sí.
That car. Oh, I can't even show it. That car was at the car meet the other day.
Ahí no vi carro de aire.
Allá enfrente, eh. Look at, oh my god.
Hasta falta un chingo de frente, pues.
Oh, ábrele pues. ¿Ni se oyó?
Apenas lo iba a hacer.
Dale. Jilly, dale. You're not gonna hit it, bro. Like literally, you said that's like that. Is this how you know where it closes? Cedar, what you doing with all that ass? Good morning. Está despierto. ¡Ay, qué chulos, bebés! ¡Ay, ay, ay! ¡Ay, ay, ay! Are you still alive? So I'm in love with my man because I keep recording him all the time. This lighting though, my eye bags are not, they're not it. I don't. You can tell I can't sleep. You can tell I don't sleep. I'm sleep deprived.
¿Ya di?
I look like a potato.